Hey Spices! So in today's video we are going to be making some pork carnitas in the Instant Pot. Translation, pork carnitas in the Instant Pot. Just kidding. So do I need to say more? Nope. Let's go spice things up. Alright, so right here we have a package of pork carnitas and we're just going to take the meat and put it in our pot. Alright, so now we're going to start adding our ingredients. So right here I have a cup of orange juice and I'm going to pour it right in.
By adding liquid first, it really helps reduce the burn notice.
And now we're gonna put in a half of an onion that I sliced. And then I have 4 garlic cloves. I already peeled the skin off of them. And you can just go ahead and just put it right in. You don't have to crush it or anything unless you want to. And this is about 1 jalapeno. These are already the pre-sliced jalapenos that you find in the jar. I like them better. They seem to be a little bit spicier. And just put them in. I'm gonna spread those around a little bit. And now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And now 1/3 cup of soy sauce. And pour it in. And then I cut up about a half of a cup of cilantro. All right, so I'm gonna juice 1 lemon. So I'm just gonna squeeze it in there. And 1 lime. And you wanna crush up some salt and pepper. And I know this looks pretty on the top, but I do kinda like to layer some of the spice underneath. And some of the onions underneath. So that all of it gets it. All right, and now a little more salt and pepper. All right, so I went ahead and put my pot in my base, and then I'm gonna put the lid on. And I'm gonna turn the vent on to sealing. All right, so now we're gonna turn on the meat stew button. And we wanna cook it for 45 minutes, and we wanna cook it on the more section. So not normal or less, we wanna cook it on the more. And then we're gonna let it naturally release for 5 minutes. All right, I went a little bit over 5 minutes, but we need to release the valve. All right, time to open it up. All right, so I'm just gonna show you. All right, so it just pulls apart easily, and you can go ahead and eat this just like this. You can make tacos with them. We like to use it in rice bowls, so we make up rice bowls and we put this meat on top of the rice bowls, and it is so delicious. But it is done and you are ready to eat it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Go home and make it, share it with your family and your friends. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.